Find or read reviews that people are talking about Pysac DIY mug press, mini tumbler heat press machine thermal transfer for 10, 11, 15 ounces. Suitable for customized blank mugs and sublimation skinny straight tumblers glass jar. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Pysac DIY mug press, mini tumbler heat press machine thermal transfer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Multi-capacity. The tumbler press can be printing the capacity of mug like 10 ounces, 11 ounces, and 15 ounces. The mug press shows toe temperature 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 360 degrees Fahrenheit to keep a stable temp. The image heat transfers evenly vivid. Powerful but very compact and portable, great stored in any small space. It is the must-have for beginners or crafters. Perfect gifts. These coffee mugs are the perfect gift for birthdays, congratulations, graduations, and weddings, sending your unique wishes on Christmas, anniversaries, Thanksgiving. Fast printing. The whole process takes only 5 to 8 minutes and beeps when it's done. High security, no operation, automatic shutdown mug heat press. Fashion DIY, very fashionable and individual. Different types of mugs can be sublimated. Whether you are a beginner or a professional who loves DIY crafts, this project is easy and convenient to use. The cup heat press is made of drop-resistant pig iron, more durable, stronger, and safer than plastic, which easy to take on all small or on-the-go mug tumbler press projects. And transfer the interesting text or pattern to more different blank mugs perfectly. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.